Dead end.
Hold on. Time to fly. This is why I'm more of a goldfish person.
Goldfish. Wait, Jack, what about the tuna dream from your shop?
Maya, now's not the time.
He's still a cat. Make tuna. There's my silly boy.
Time to go home.
Next time you want an adventure, just ask. So, dinner? Real world, new dragons?
I know a place. They make excellent tuna melts.
Party of 3 then.